My name is Sunil Sharma, working with SES Instrument Private Limited. Today, I will demonstrate the basic feature of Teslameter. Teslameter is a versatile instrument. We have the two type of the probe, axial type and transverse type. By default, we have supplied only the transverse probe that can measure both AC and DC magnetic field. In a carton box, you will get an instrument and a pouch. In the pouch, you will get different items. One is USB cable, one is transverse probe, and one is software disk. Normally, two types of probes can be used with Teslameter, transverse and axial. We have to choose our probe such that probe sensor can be placed perpendicular to the magnetic lines of force. In transverse probe, the sensor is shown in figure 1. So far, normal block magnet or electromagnet, the magnetic lines of force flows as in figure 2. The transverse probe is more suitable for such measurement as we can place its flat surface between magnetic lines of force as shown in figure 3. Now, in case of solenoid, the magnetic lines of force are as shown in figure 4. Here, axial type of probe is more useful. Sensor is located at the tip of the probe as in figure 5. Hence, when we insert it inside the solenoid or place it vertically over a block magnet, magnetic lines of force are perpendicular to the sensor as shown in figure 6. I will show you the different operations of the Teslameter that can be done using this panel. This is the keyboard layout by which you can set the different operations. First, I will show you how to select the mode. Press menu. And then blinking is there. Then press down. Now it is shown a mode. Now that we set the with left and right key, you can select the mode. We can select unit for measurement of Gauss or millitesla, like that. First you press the menu and this push button, you keep it on unit, and left to right you can set the unit, maybe Gauss or maybe it is a millitesla. Similarly, you can select other operations like that. We can select the scale measurement Gauss or kilogauss. We can display maximum or minimum value of field with hold feature. It works in all modes. We can store the displayed value at any of 25 desired location. We can delete the saved value from any location and call back any stored value at any time. Set zero reading before starting any measurement. We can identify the magnetic field direction, which one is North Pole and South Pole. All these features are described in details in user's manual sent along with the instrument. We have this sensor, it is engraved N. It is indicate the North Pole, which when it is inserted in the magnet, so when it is faced that side, it will indicate the North Pole, like that. So now it is indicated here that N means it is facing the North Pole. We can connect Teslameter with computer through USB cable along with software supplied with instrument. I hope you enjoyed this video. For details of our other products, please visit our website www.sesinstruments.com.